Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing an Amazon unboxing video, but it's like a mystery unboxing video. Yeah, I'm going to be doing a mystery unboxing video featuring Amazon. This video is not sponsored, but I just wanted to do this video just because I felt like it, and plus it's content. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos, and subscribe down below if you want more videos like this. And let's get on to the video. Okay, this is what the box looks like. I teared off the little address thing so I don't get tracked. But anyway, so yeah, this is the box. I'm excited to see what's in it. So yeah, let's open it. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's one thing. That's all I know. This is the bubble wrap. I'm gonna give you guys a little ASMR, like pop thing. Ooh. Okay. This is what I got out of the box. You have the box here. Okay. I got this Vitafusion hair, skin, and nails. Gorgeous hair, skin, and nails. And they just have little raspberries on it. Oh my gosh. My mom, I think, ordered this for me for my hair because we're trying to get my hair back on track and healthy. And so, yeah, this is what I got from Amazon. And yeah, I'm excited to try some. But yeah, this is literally what I got from Amazon. So yeah, I just wanted to make a video about this. I know it's like kind of a short video, but it's whatever. But yeah, guys, this is the thing I got from Amazon. It says you need to take 3 gummy vitamins per day. They're probably really good. So yeah, they have 135 gummies in there, and yeah, this is literally what I got. So yeah, I know it was kind of clickbait because I was like, oh my god, mystery unboxing. But yeah, it's a mystery unboxing. I didn't know what it was. So yeah, this is the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next vlog.